Welcome to Information Center Establishment Rule HOER Rule Part 1 Question and Answer. Question 1 Regulation of hours of work and period of rest are dealt in. Answer Chapter 14 of Indian Railway Act 1989. Question 2 The classification of blanks employments is defined in section 130A. Answer Continuous. Question 3 The classification of blanks employments is defined in section 130B. Answer EI. Question 4 The classification of blanks employments is defined in section 130D. Answer Intensive. Question 5 Grant of overtime payment to railway servants are dealt in. Answer Chapter 14 of Indian Railway Act 1989. Question 6 Grant of periodical rest to railway servants classified as EI dealt in. Answer Chapter 14 of Indian Railway Act 1989. Question 7 Grant of periodical rest to railway servants classified as intensive are dealt in. Answer Chapter 14 of Indian Railways Act 1989. Question 8 Grant of periodical rest to railway servants classified as continuous are dealt in. Answer Chapter 14 of Indian Railways Act 1989. Question 9 The duties of supervisors of railway labor is defined in Chapter 14 of Indian Railways Act 1989. Answer True. Question 10 Full night means period between blanks and blanks. Answer 10 p.m. and 6 a.m. Question 11 In the case of intensive workers, blanks means period of duty over 8 hours. Answer long. Question 12 In the case of continuous workers, long on means period of duty. Answer over 10 hours. Question 13 In the case of blanks workers, long on means period of duty over 12 hours. Answer EI. Question 14 Expand RLC. Answer Regional Labour Commissioner. Question 15 The documents which show the hours that a railway servant is accepted to be on duty is. Answer Roster. Question 16 Regional Labour Commissioner is appointed by notification in the. Answer Official Gazetted. Question 17 A station which is not a junction but from which trains are ordered on regular measure. Answer non-roadside station. Question 18 In case of running staff, ordinary rate of pay includes. Answer 30% of basic pay. Question 19 Is the period of rest less than 12 hours between two rostered duties of 6 hours of railway servant under intensive classification? Answer: short of. Question 20. Short of is the period of blank rest between two rostered duties of railway servant under continuous classification. Answer: less than 10 hours. Question 21. Maximum number of breaks permitted in a split shift is? Answer: 2 breaks, 3 spells. Question 22. If the place of residence is beyond blank kilometers from place of work, 7 hours of split duty is treated as equivalent to 8 hours of normal duty. Answer: 1.6. Question 23. Sustained effort implies? Answer: mental effort. Question 24. Power to declare the employment of railway servant as intensive of EI West with? Answer: GM, head of relay. Question 25. Blanks is competent to declare a railway servant as excluded. Answer: Ministry of Railways. Question 26. Time limit for appealing against classification is blank days. Answer: 90 days. Question 27. Copy of order specifying a railway servant to be treated as supervisory shall be forwarded to? Answer: Chief Labour Commissioner. Question 28. Blanks is the authority to specify a railway servant as supervisory. Answer: Ministry of Labour. Question 29. The employment of all railway servants except those excluded by Ministry of Railways are assumed as? Answer: continuous. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe Information Center and like and share this video. Thank you.